Tended to keep WordPress client coming back. Let's see. You own a WordPress agency, provide service and protect to client from one hemisphere to the other. You work your butt off to drum up your business, including writing top-notch content, launching marketing, campaigning, joining WordPress meetup to introduce your service, etc. Through blood, sweat, and tears, you finally get it off the ground. But we all know that doing business doesn't just stop at that new challenge. Now goes to how you can keep WordPress client coming back every project, and considering the fact that the WordPress development market that the coming become more and more competitive. What is the concern that only not only you but thousands of WordPress developers and agencies out of there. But no worry, we are here to give you the answer. The topic under the spotlight today centered on how to keep WordPress customer come back. Before diving into detail, let us talk you thought the importance of 10 customer to your WordPress development business. Why it's important to keep your WordPress client coming back. Return client plays the file builder in any business, and WordPress web development is no exception. In the area of social media, return customer can be create ambassador of your brand. Not only do they your buy WordPress product and service, but they also help spread words about you and you can know how that these forms of meeting always works even more effectively than paid etc. Including brand awareness and sales pipeline in terms of course retaining word content. Current WordPress client can be saved you a chunk of change. 22 to 82% of companies have confirmed that customer retention costs less than customer beside according to a plan. New customer can cost 5 times as much as keeping the existing one while just by ensuring that your customer retention rate by 5%. Your WordPress business can maximize profit by 22 from 25 to an incredible 95%. On the top of that, keeping WordPress client coming back can lead to a higher success rate is closing your deals. WordPress is the most ACMC platform in the world, empowering 37.8% of the internet and 75 billion sites on the web. The popularity equals how competitive the WordPress development market is. You have to compete with thousands over even millions of WordPress business out of there to win new customers. But believe it or not, no matter how much you spend money and effort on marketing campaign, the capability of selling to a new project prospect with limit at 5-20%, while figure speaks up to 60-70% with the current customer. Having said that, making a WordPress partner come back still opens up a hard road to hope. One of main reason lies in the client proofing process during the site process. Client have the right to log backend to manage content, back edit, customization and update. However, not all of them WordPress expert. Many WordPress agencies have face this problem. Customers have messed around with the dashboard, causing the new site to shut down. Even then, ignore the development fault. Broken site will leave a bad impression, making clients refuse to partner with agencies further down the road. At the point, having a well-prepared WordPress client proofing process with delivery, a streamlined user experience increases the word chances of follow-up business and word of, word of mouth recommendation. Aware of the concern we have but together 10 short 5 customer retention strategies encouraging your WordPress customer to hire and again in particular tips to eventually client proof of a WordPress website but still enhance UX are also put forward. One setup client login credentials before your client log into the new site, providing them it ready to use username and password. Not only have you take control over these assets but also prevent common WordPress attack. People tend to use simple, easy to remember password including common adjacent number and letter like 12345 and name 12345. This is really bad habit that can lead to force attack and data breach. Hackers need only less than a second to crack these weak passwords and gain access to the WordPress dashboard. So rather than letting clients set up password on their own, sending them ready-made robust password will safeguard your WordPress product from unwanted attack. What move by creating login account of your client, you can easily each of them a user role with the corresponding access level to the backend. By default, WordPress offers 5 standard user types including admin, editor, author, contributor and subscriber. Each goes with different capabilities. Admin, the most powerful role. They can have full access to the backend and manage the entry side data. The access to end, edit and publish posts including the post of their WordPress user. Author can access the post only, which means posts edited by others will be invisible to them. They all do you write, edit and post publish post. Contributor. Contributor. Contributor can create and edit posts but not publish them. Subscribers get site user access only the user type the at the least capabilities you they can't do anything. But by editing to profile, since not all your client as WordPress expert granting them admin access and may risk the new site is potential damage. They might remove or install new plugins, deactivate themes, delete important content, or even worse, break the site entirely, such as recommended to limit access editor or other. It helps minimize the chance to mess up with a backend. Second, assign client for collaboration in managed WP. Offering client as collaboration in managed WP comes it handy if they want to keep an eye on project update. Plus, this idea also provides brilliant way your client comes as a team and you need a hassle-free way to create multiple accounts on the spot. Claiming to erase your workflow managed WP allows you to monitor and keep tabs for any chance change on your WordPress site within a dashboard. It collaborates features for sharing a WordPress site with numerous users safely without giving out your password. Once you assign the collaborate role of your customer, you get control over the access permission, including which data and features they are allowed to touch. All of their activities history will be recorded in the client report, letting you identify your weak that thing on your WordPress site. More than that, you have to right to remove their access at any time by closing collaboration account. In your main WP dashboard, client on your profile, the choice collaborate on your drop down menu. Next, let's add collection collaboration. And about collaboration, email and detailed access level, there are two options you can choose from: full website access, collaborate to an access to manage dashboard access your website and use all of the many WP tools. Read only website access. Collaborate can overview everything but not edit or make any changes. Define which websites, area specific tag and client tag the collaborate can access, prevent them from doing the bulk action. Once done setting up it at collaboration, and then they will be able to access the specific website managed. In the case of to cancel the collaborate, head back to collaboration screen, choose manage collaborator. You want to remove delete collaborator, and you are done.